Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and welcome to my new viewers. This is a channel where we talk about my top stocks. Well, today the news was announced that Tesla may be doing another stock split. Here it is on CNBC. It says Tesla wants to split its stock so it can pay a stock dividend. Well, that forced Tesla stock to heat up. It says the SEC filing said the electrical car maker asked at an annual shareholders meet for an increase in the number of authorized shares in order to enable a stock split for the company's common stock in form of a dividend. Tesla's latest split stock in 2020, the shares have more than doubled since August of 2020. So back in 2019, I bought 5 shares, and those 5 shares turned into 20. So I'm hoping my current 17 shares turns into almost 100 shares. So we're looking forward to that. We'll see. They're going to vote on it soon. We'll keep you updated. But on that note, Tesla stock surged on that news. So it was some great stuff that went on. I'm going to go to my Instagram channel, where you can see Tesla was up 8% on the day. In second place was Okta, the online cloud identity software, and Microsoft was up as well, 2.27, and UpStart Holdings. So those were the top stocks today. Tesla led the tech stocks in the rally. Many tech stocks or growth stocks rallied today. As we go into the Robinhood, we'll see that the portfolio was up over 2.14%. The news of Tesla just caught fire, and after lunch, the market just took off again. So good deal. Tesla led the market today. There were several stocks that were up. SHOP, Shopify was up 3%. Coinbase rallied again, 7.12%. There was some news on the Bitcoin today. Bitcoin surged as well, but also the government passed something called ECASH. Okay, so the government passed new legislation called ECASH. I'm going to see if it's in the news here, but ECASH was passed today by the government, way to create digital currency. So everybody be on the lookout for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency and other digital assets. It says US lawmakers introduced ECASH bill in order to create a digital dollar. So that got the cryptocurrency market rallying, and also Coinbase. Coinbase holds a lot of your most popular cryptocurrency. If we look at Coinbase is a global operation, secure hosted Bitcoin wallet to purchase and use Bitcoin. It provides merchant tools that enable companies to accept payments in Bitcoin by incorporate a single button. Okay, so Coinbase hosts most of your favorite cryptocurrency, and a major law today, the ECASH bill, new push to create a digital dollar. Okay, so we're going into the digital age, and again, there was a group of US lawmakers that said the US Treasury may be the right government entity to create a digital dollar, not the Federal Reserve. Okay, so the Treasury is looking at passing Electronic Currency and Secure Hardware Act, okay, to direct Treasury to develop and issue an electronic version of the US dollar, and to preserving privacy and anonymity in transactions. Okay, so that was the good news about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, and that's probably why we saw Coinbase jump 7.87%. It's just giving further validation of the future. Okay, what else did we have go up today? We had Robinhood. Robinhood surged today 3.55%. And of course, we had Tesla surge 8.41%, as I mentioned earlier. So it was a great day in the market. As you can see, daily movers, New Egg Commerce surged 38%. AMC Entertainment surged 42%. Okay, so those were the highlights there. And CNN says how to invest in tech and leave Facebook behind. Okay, so this is interesting. I mean, Facebook stock has gone down over 30–40% this year. Is it time to invest in Facebook? And here's a good article by Benzinga. Had you invested $100 in Microsoft 5 years ago, I would imagine you probably have 5 times the money, okay? Let's see here. Had you invested in Microsoft 5 years ago, I'm almost sure you'd have 5 times the money. If an investor bought $100 of Microsoft 5 years ago, it will be worth $469 today, okay? So 5 times as much. And I can tell you the fact on that. I invested in Microsoft back in 2019 at $182, and now it's worth $310, okay? So it does pay to invest in stocks like Microsoft and Tesla. You just have to give it time, okay? So this is coming from Benzinga Insights. $100 invested in Microsoft, what would you have today? Okay, now let me get to my top stocks in my other portfolio. As you can see, this portfolio was up 3.76%, a little over $1,900. First place again was Tesla, where I made a little over $1,400. Second place, Okta bounced back a little bit today. They were up 8.51%. Third place was UpStart Holdings, the AI lending platform. This stock has been bouncing between $100, well, actually $90-something and $150. So it's really interesting. But UpStart Holdings was up 4% on the day. And Microsoft hit a high of $310. This stock just a few weeks ago was trading at $280. And today it is up over $300. So that's Microsoft. Okay, so those were the stocks that people made a lot of money on today. Now let's take a quick look at some opportunities. And of course, Tesla was the top stock of the day. ConocoPhillips was down slightly today. The war is not over. So if you wanted to buy, today would have been the day to buy some ConocoPhillips. Okay, so ConocoPhillips was down 3.72%. I actually would like to see it get down under 100 to see another bounce before I buy back in. But if you want to get into ConocoPhillips and you don't have a current position, as you can see, I've almost over doubled my money, 3.76. Today would have been a great day to buy into ConocoPhillips. Also, I still like Bank of America, trade at $43 per share. Okay, Bank of America is still trading under $50. FCX, Freeport McMoran, which is a copper stock, is trading down today 3.20%. And Apple, today still would have been a good day to get an Apple. It did go up 0.41%, but we're still looking at a price target of almost $200 possibly for Apple with the new products and services. Also, steel was down today slightly. Steel was down 2%. Now we still have a steel shortage. So again, steel may have been an opportunity. Now let's take a quick look at tip ranks really quick to just see the price target on some of these stocks. If you look at steel, I'm almost sure it's way over what Wall Street analysts think. but steel's average price target right now is $32 and we're at $38. This is wild. Okay. So the average price target is $32. And when we look at steel right now, it's currently at $37. So this stock, it has a 12% downsize possibility, down to 32. Okay, so this stock is really hot. It may still go higher. But again, steel's price target, mid-range price target is $32.82. Right now, it's currently trading at $37. So you might want to take some profit if you have a large position in steel. But again, we still have a steel shortage, so we don't know if this will go past the $42 forecasted at the high end. Okay. And the other stock, we were talking about Apple. Let's take a look at Apple's forecast for the future. Apple has a mid price target of $193 in the next 12 months, and it has a high forecast of $215. That's why I said there's still opportunity to buy into Apple, because it's going to basically end up anywhere between $193 and $215 per share. There's 23 buys and there's 5 holds on Apple. I mean, Apple is definitely a great stock. You probably really shouldn't sell it that often, but you can trim once you build a big enough position. Okay, so those were the opportunities today. Apple, X, possibly if you don't have a position in it. Marvel Technologies trading under $80. Bank of America, I still like Bank of America, and COP ConocoPhillips. If you don't have a position in it, I think this stock can go up to 110 again. Okay, so those are the stocks I wanted to cover. Again, it was a great day in the market. The portfolios were both up well over 1%. Anything over 1% is great. As you can see, the Robinhood was up 2.14%. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share. And if you like to get some free stock from Robinhood, please use my link. And everybody have a great night.